Hey, if you've ever had this happen to you, it can be frustrating, but it's an easy fix. This is an old work outlet box, and they have tabs on the bottom and the top. Well, these tabs broke off, and they're what holds it in behind the drywall. So I got a new one with metal tabs that won't break. I've got some damage back in here. So I made some support to reinforce it. Let's swap it out. First thing you want to do is find the right breaker. And turn the damn thing off. Then take your super cheap voltmeter and double check for voltage. Because 110 bites, and it bites hard. Take off the plate. Let's make this a little easier. Try not to damage the drywall anymore. Yeah, as you can see, I got a little drywall damage back here. But I think I can repair it. Well, I can reinforce it. So I'm going to put this behind the wall, which will give this something rigid to hold on to. And I believe it'll work out just fine. I'm gonna put one more in. There. I have one more to put up top. Or I can just drop it down in there. Shit. I'm gonna make another one. Be right back. All right, let's try this again. This time I'm gonna pre-put my screw in there. Pre-put my screw in there, that sounds stupid.
You, sir, are a moron.
I believe that's good enough. The directions said just pop a hole in this. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see how she does. I apologize for the sniffling. My nose has been running all day.
Well, then you better go catch it!
Huh. Boy, I really messed this up. I lost one of the things off the end and... Shit. There. No, that didn't work. That's good. Well, that didn't quite go as planned.
You think?
Oh. Black goes on the gold. White goes on the silver. Brown goes on the green.
And a few days later,
Well, that didn't work out as planned. But you'll have that sometimes. You got to change things up to make it work. But it is what it is. Tune in next time. Maybe I'll fix something. Maybe I'll make it worse. Who knows? See ya.